What's up everyone, Lex DeVille here. In this video, we are talking about when is the best time to update your Upwork profile. And that is kind of a tricky question, but it's a really important one right now due to the way things have shifted on Upwork recently, all of which we should talk about very soon. But we want to talk about when is the best time, when is the best day to update your Upwork profile right now in 2023. So, before we get into that, make sure that you like and subscribe and all that stuff. Hit that notification bell if you like my videos. I don't make videos all that often recently. That's just because I've been off of Upwork for about 8 months. A series of strange and unexpected events has led me back to Upwork for the time being. So I am now back there sourcing clients through the Upwork platform. So I have some additional and new insights to bring you, such as when is the best day to update your Upwork profile, and I think that I can help out with those in this video. So let's talk about those. So the first thing we have to talk about with Upwork is some of the stuff that's happened. So what do we have going on with Upwork right now? Well, one, things that I've noticed since I've been back, a massive lack of clients. I'm like blown away by how few clients there are, at least in the copywriting field. There's so few clients posting gigs. Maybe it's a seasonal thing, maybe I just don't remember it this way. But wow, when I look through the gigs, I'm like, there is absolutely dog crap for me to apply for. So, and the other problem is that connects have skyrocketed. Upwork says it's to give you good clients. I call BS on that one. It's based on the value of the clients. Get out of here, Upwork. You go home. You're drunk. That's just nonsense. We'll talk about that in another video, but the cost of connects has skyrocketed. You will only be able to apply to just a couple of gigs before you run out of connects, which means it is very, very important for you to show up on the first page of Upwork search results, and it is very important for you to get found through the little algorithm triggering tricks and tactics that we sometimes talk about on this channel. So you want your profile to rank on the first page of search results. Now, if your profile is already on the first page of search results, that makes what I'm about to tell you pretty easy breezy. But what if your profile is not showing up on the first page of search results? We have a couple of things that we need to start addressing right here. So your profile is not on the first page of search results. You would know this by creating a client account on Upwork, it's free, and then searching for your skill. And if you don't find yourself, then something has happened. One of two things has happened. Either one, your profile SEO is not strong enough to get you to the top, and that's a different problem that we can't address in this video. But if you're not on the first page of search results, it could be that you have weak profile SEO. Now, number two, it could also be that you've made a change recently. If you have made any change to your Upwork profile at all, you should expect that you are going to be bumped out of search results for a time period. This could be changing your price. It could be rewriting your description. It could be updating a portfolio piece. It could be changing any number of things, your title, or adding a profile, or any number of things. Basically anything you do to your profile is going to bump you out of search results. Now, if you're not in searchers, if you're not on that first page and you've never really checked, or you've made updates to your profile, or you just really don't know, you might give it about a week. First of all, just to check and make sure if you are on the first page. Give yourself about a week of just making no changes at all to your profile, and then check in those search results to see if you're on that first page. Now, if you are on the first page, we have to answer the question, when is the best time to make those profile updates? When is the best time to change your price, to try testing different titles, to do different things with your bio or add portfolio pieces? When is that time? Well, most clients are hiring on Mondays. Monday is like the big hiring day. And then Tuesday is still a good hiring day for the most part. And then it tapers off throughout the week until you get to Friday. And then over the weekend, it's pretty much dead. Most of you have probably experienced this. So the best time for most people to update your profile is going to be on Friday, specifically in the evening of US time, because that is when the biggest and best clients they'll have dropped off. They're going into their weekend mindset. They're shifting gears, and now they aren't really thinking about hiring. They're not going to be looking at Upwork over the weekend. If anyone is looking at Upwork over the weekend or is hiring over the weekend, they are probably not that big of a business, so it may not be worth your time anyway. So in my opinion, the best time to update your Upwork profile is on Friday in the evening time, US time. Now, if you need to do it earlier, such as in the morning time on Friday, I think that would be totally fine too. But as long as you do it sometime Friday, that's going to give you, you're going to get bumped out of those search results at a time when nobody's really paying attention. And then on Saturday, you'll probably be back in the search results on the first page, assuming that you were already ranking on that first page. You'll be back in those search results by Saturday or Sunday at the latest. I've seen it go up to 2 days. I don't think I've seen it go longer than 3 days. But if you are in there by Saturday, you can go in and check your profile, look for any errors or any other things that you might have missed. You can check your position in the search results. So for instance, I was ranking in about the 8th position with my last profile updates for my main key term. And so I went in the next day and I made some additional adjustments that bumped me back up. And now for my main term, I'm in the number 3 position for, I think, worldwide. I don't know. As long as there's those top rated plus people, they seem to get a little bit of preference over me. But if you sort by top rated, then I'm number 1. If you sort by top rated worldwide, number 1 again. So make those updates on a Friday. And then by Monday, you should be back in the search results ready to go. You should be ready to be promoted out by the algorithm. If you're making changes, it might be a good time to go ahead and test bumping your rates up by $20 or sending them down by that $20 that we talk about on here, so that you take advantage of like a double boost. If you boost your profile up to the top of search results, you get more exposure in the search results, so that's more clients who can find you and potentially contact you. And if you are changing your rates, you're probably taking advantage of Upwork's algorithm promoting you to people in certain pricing tiers, so that's another area. And then it seems like whenever you get your profile up to those top of search results, they sometimes promote you in the algorithm out to people that way because of your new rank and status. That's my opinion on this topic for now. We have a lot to talk about that we can discuss with Upwork, the ways it's changing, the good, the bad. Are there still good clients there? Yes, there are. And I'm working with 3. I've got 1 more in the works right now that I've just recently met with, but there's a lot to work through there. So we can talk about those things. For now, update your profiles on Friday, preferably Friday evening US time. That's going to give you the most time to check for any errors, to let your profile catch up in the SEO rank, and to get it back out there before Monday, which is the big hiring day for most US clients and most clients in general. I think that's going to do the best for you working with what we've got for the time being. Stick around, come back for more. I will probably be making, I think I just spit a little, darn it. I'll probably be making more videos soon because this is kind of on my mind and I'm working through it again. So I'll be working through it with you. Guess that's all I got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.